If you're from the South, you have undoubtedly had fried okra. You may have had it fried in a frying pan with onions, or you may have had it deep fried. Since I'm growing okra, I'm going to air fry my okra as opposed to deep frying, and I'll show you the steps that I'm going to do. First, cut it up in little medallions like this. Instead of using buttermilk, I put it in a egg wash and then battered them with cornmeal. Here is my air fryer. I'm going to spray the bottom with a little Pam, and I'm going to air fry them in batches. The okra, I'm going to lightly spray with Pam as well. And I'm going to air fry them in batches. So I'm going to put maybe half in. Here you go. I think I'll add a little bit more. And I'm going to set the temperature to 400. And halfway through, 15-20 minutes, I'm going to shake them and put them back in, and they should turn out nice and golden. See you soon. The second batch is just about done. It's getting ready to go off. Season with some salt. And a little Cajun seasoning. And let's taste it. I like it. A little bit more salt. Okay. Thank you for watching me this little experiment with my okra and my air fryer. Appreciate you. If you haven't subscribed already to my channel, by all means, feel free to do so. I would greatly appreciate it. Make sure you hit the like button and hit the notification bell too, so you'll be notified when I upload. If you want to share it, also you can share my content. Until next time, stay strong and stay blessed.